adjacent one we have to went together. So this is where we had reached last time after drawing the walls, and today we want to make some few changes. Before you continue. We had saved our drawing. To save your drawing, go to file, then save as, and you save it. So I want to make a few changes. I'm going to stretch this wall to this side and this one also to this side. This one also to this side, so that I can be able to draw my stairs on this side. So, or if I want, I can just copy this one to, so to do this, I click this one and this one. I want this one to reach this side. Then I click this, adjust this control plus minus, and then I click on this one, so my wall can be able to run from here to here. Then I have to delete this and this, and I'm gonna do what? I'm gonna delete this one, and I'm gonna extend this one to here. And so I decided that I want my doors to be here and here, not the way I decided before. It was looking creepy. And this one also, so that I can delete this and this. I want my door to be here and here. So today I want to place the doors, of course. And because I want this to be my parking for at least 2 cars, I'm also going to expand it to, last time I think it was 2.8 meters. It is 2.8 meters. I think I should get it to, I'm going to get it to, this one is Control D. I want to drag this one. You can click here and then you drag it. You click drag. I want it to take it to 3500. So that one I'll be increasing it by 700. So I hit 700. So it becomes 3500. Then I'm going to click this. To click multiple walls, you hold on shift, this and this and this, and then I click this one and I choose what I want, like that. So today I think everything is okay. So this I want to be my parking there. This is gonna be matched here, and this room is probably not going to be there, or I can use it as a veranda for the kitchen. It's probably going to be a veranda for the kitchen. So basically, what I want to place a door here and here, there. I want to place a door. So I'm going to doors. So doors are here. These are windows. Then these are door tool. I double click on it. So if you want to choose maybe different types of doors or what you want, it is wise to double click so that you can go and choose what you want. For instance, I want to choose the internal doors, so interior one. So it will be wise for me to choose a good door. So I think I'm going to with door 19. I like using, because I'm using like 24, it's called door 24. So I'm gonna go with this one. Then I click on this one and I choose a style that I want. So each door has its own style. Like if I click on let me see another simple door like this one, metal door, simple door like this one, metal door. You can be able to see that once you are normally here. So once you click on hinged door settings, the first one will be this one. Then you click on this and you get door leaf. You can be able to choose the style that you want. And each door actually has its own different styles, additional styles. So this will just be dependent on what you want or what you want to do. But for now, there was another style. Is it this one? Let's say like this one is the same. I don't know which one. Let me just go with the 24. So with the 24, I'm gonna go with this style. Let me go with this style. Then I want the knob. Of course, adding these ones are not inside of your house, the interior. Then once I click this, I want to change maybe to choose the the wood on the door to be what and what. So in that case, I click on this arrow here, right click on it, then model attributes, then I can see I have uniform surfaces, and I click that, and I'm going to choose let me choose one at horizontal. Yeah, and I click OK. So if I come here, place an empty opening. Also here, I don't need a door here, but I might need a door here. Say come like this, go like let me just leave it. See, what was I thinking here? Yeah, you might want another door here. Here too, and here I'm thinking of something else. So should I just thinking of some sort of serious kind of thing? So here I want to, then I can have an exit door here that will lead me to this side, which will be my way around. $900. Let me take it to 1200. 1200. So yeah, but I really needed this one. It's okay. So then the next thing I'm going to do are the windows. So the window tool, let me choose window 19. Of course there are so many. Window 24, actually I'm used to ArchiCAD 19, that's why I'm saying window 19. There are so many types of windows which you can choose here. depending on what you want, but I want 19. I want 24 because 24 you can do with this what you want, and I want to add in some transform or like small, more like, you can just see what I'm going to. I want to add in I want to add in, you see. So I want to add in grids. I'm going to choose this one. Then 3 4 automatically brings you 3 4. Let me give this 45, but vertically 3, horizontally 4. Casing, what is it called? I want to add on some casing. Casing outside. In the casing I want it to be, I'm going to do white. I like white. White is glossy. I'm going to do glossy white. Many people like doing glossy. So the window width, let me go with 1400, or I can go with a big size, but let me go with 1400 for now. And then the width, this is 1500. So if I'm going with 1500, I have to know that this one will be 700 because the level of my lintel will be at 2200. At 2200 I have my lintel. So if I take 700 plus this one, I get 20 plus this one, I get 2200. Always make sure that the level of your windows is the same in what you're doing, so when you generate your elevations they will look nicer. How do you decide like to go with a certain size of window? The window size is supposed to be the total number of opening for your room is supposed to be 1/10 of your floor plan area. The total area should be 1/10 of the floor plan area of the opening. So because this is one is the kitchen, maybe I might want to do some crazy things with it in the future. I think I'll come to change it maybe later if I want to do some crazy things with it in the future. This is what we have. If you change this to 2200, so this becomes 18, no, it becomes 1700. So and I think I should have removed the chance on that those grids, but anyways, it is okay. So here I'm going to have an opening. This is not going to be closed like the way it is. This one I will remove it. I'm going to have some columns here and here, and again I'm gonna have a column here and here. I'm not going to have this and this. I'm gonna have a column here and here. Even this one will not be there. Then I can have a very big window here, which I forgot to do. Let me move this one. Control D. Move a copy, which is Control Shift D. Drag a copy, Control Shift D. From the center, let me move this one here. and I'm also gonna have, even this one will not be there. I think we'll have a slab there. Yes, that's for now. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe.